I think one of the critical pieces for any executive or entrepreneur founder is self-awareness. What am I good at? What am I not good at? And being honest with the guy, as Michael Jackson said, the man in the mirror or the woman in the mirror. I think it's still good advice. If your real passion is R&D, innovation, invention, go with your passion and let somebody else do the hard lifting in commercial, supply chain, quality, regulatory. Doesn't mean to say you're going to lose control of your company, because that's through shareholding. You're still going to get diluted at the next funding round. But as founder and scientific advisor or CSO or CTO or whatever you're going to be, more of your time doing what you want to do and less of the time doing what you don't like to do, like ISO or quality systems. But the technology, although it has many, many challenges, is now the therapeutic point of view being more and more proven. And of course, CAR-T, which is a cell therapy, cells came along later. CAR-T cell therapies don't use very much transfection reagent, but they have other needs. They can use some transfection reagent, but they're not the large-scale producers of viral vectors like or gene therapies. And, we followed the trend. I remember before I left in summer 2016, we had the first customer who was building in Europe 1,000-liter bioreactors. But I think the top of the list for me is typically scientific founders, and we talk about scientific founders as well, are usually the CEO at this stage.
Yeah.
And I'll be very blunt, many, and not all, as you were saying, but many believe that people will come and buy my product just because it's brilliant, because I invented it.
You fall in love with your own product rather than...
All we have to do is put it on the website and the orders will come. And lo and behold, the orders do not come, or not enough.
But this is not limited to scientific founders, I must say. They're like, this is the fallacy that many founders I've seen, they just love their product rather than just...
I'm pretty sure it's the same in electronics and others, but my view that the critical problem is a belief that you don't need sales, you don't need marketing, and you don't need to fight for visibility. And I think the other point is exactly that. In your company, how do you make your colleagues feel valued and appreciated? Yeah, there's always donuts and coffee. There's always a fruit basket if you're a bit more, we say, health conscious within the limits of the taxation situation. There are Amazon gift cards and there are tickets for the cinema. But most, I believe, and this again, personal opinion, I believe most employees feel valued if somebody talks to them and listens to them and really listens to them.